Good morning, students. Today we are beginning a new unit, unit number 7. Okay, and in unit 7, name is of fair play. So it is about the two friends. They were very close friends, but behind some reason they left each other and they were not talking to each other because in order they played a fair role in panchayat, so they were angry with each other. So here the grandmother, the nani, is playing a role in order to unite them and reunion their friendship. So let us go through the lesson. So has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? Read this story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. So Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So both were very good friends. And sorry, they were respected. Their friendship was respected by everyone in the village. If the one is away from the village, they used to take care of each other family. Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who guarded even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. So, Jumman had an old aunt and she had a property and he transferred it to Jumman and thought that he would look after him careful. But it continued only for a few years. But after some years, they started to show him indifferent. Even his wife was showing lot of difference towards her, giving by food and everything to him. And Jumman also started to do the same thing. But she swallowed everything like a food. One day she spoke to Jumman, "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient," said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. So one day she was tired of this torture and she said to Jumman that to give him a monthly allowance so she can make a separate kitchen. But Jumman said his wife is very wise and she can manage everything very well. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her. Okay, a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. So she thought of taking the case to the panchayat. She talked to many people in the village. Some felt so sympathy towards her. Some felt that she's laughing, felt laughing at her, and some said you should make up or patch up with your nephew. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. "You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him?" Algu said. "But Is it right, my son? I keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair, pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ear. So at last he went to the best friend of Juman, Algu Chaudhary. And Algu Chaudhary said, if he is my best friend, so how can I do to him like this? But the old lady said, what did the old lady said? Old lady said, you have to speak in my side. Okay, you have to pick in my side and speak the truth. So anyhow, her words were ringing in the ears of Juman. The panchayat was held at the same evening under an old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, the voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head panch. I will abide her decision. So she went to the panchayat, and the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. And Juman said, my aunt will decide and she will nominate the head panch, and I will obey to her decision. The panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of law. So Juman was very happy that her aunt said that the panch knows neither friend nor enemy. So friend don't keep the enemy nor friends. So she is choosing Algu Chaudhary. But the Juman was very happy. He thought that Algu Chaudhary will take his part. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. So Algu Chaudhary said, aunt, you know that Juman is my best friend, and I can't abide him like this. So he said, it's okay, you don't do anything, but I know that God lives in the hearts of every panch. And she explained her case. Juman, said Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a panch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? So Juman is telling, you are my best friend, your aunt is like my aunt, but now I am a panch. So what do you want to say in your defense? 3 years ago, began Juman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have you been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance for me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. So for the couple of years there was everything good. Everything was going well. But now there was a quarrel between my wife and my aunt. And now she is asking for the monthly allowance, and it is not possible for me. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So, this way the Algu has defend the Juman, and he said either you pay back the property or either you have to take care of your aunt. So dear students, till here we will be learning, because the part number 3 will be learning afterwards. So read the lesson carefully. Have a good day, and thank you to